nothing wrong with you, dude. Stand up.
While patrolling Interstate 40, Trooper Darren Evans notices a black car with suspicious tags. He initiates a stop, but just as he approaches the vehicle, the driver bolts, speeding past 100 miles per hour, weaving through traffic like a wild card.
Black Infiniti G35 passenger car. It's got Tennessee temporary tags. We're stopping in the middle of the interstate.
10-4, mile marker.
283. Okay, we're on the shoulder now.
10-4, eastbound or westbound?
Westbound.
10-4. Yeah, drive, D21. D21.
The chase rockets off the highway, with the suspect blowing through stop signs and racing back onto the interstate. Trooper Evans takes his shot, executing a precise tactical vehicle intervention that sends the car skidding off-road.
Took Mound City.
TBI.
Hands! 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 Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
TBI, Mount City, eastbound.
TBI, Mound City.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands now! Show me your hands! Hands! All right, roll down the window, show me your hands!
Not responding to commands. Felony takedown.
Show me your hands!
With backup units on the scene, Trooper Evans and his team move in. The suspects, identified as Michael Chalmers and Ebony Jackson, are taken into custody, but not without some unexpected resistance from Chalmers, who feigns unresponsiveness.
Hey, lay flat on your stomach. Lay flat on your stomach. Don't get mad because you made this mistake. Huh? I'm not coming to that car with your girlfriend in there. You sit right there until some help gets here. Hey, stand up. Stand up on your feet. Driver, stand up on your feet. 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 Hey, watch that passenger 22. Stand up on your feet. Stand up on your feet. Stand up on your feet. Hey, y'all come around here and hold on that passenger for me. Oh, you're about to get real scared. Y'all just watch that passenger.
son. On my arm, man. What is you doing? On my arm,
You
man.
better put your hands out that window.
Put your hands out
Put
the
your
window
hands
now.
out that window.
On my arm, man. What is
Nothing
you
wrong with
doing,
your arm.
man?
Give me your other one.
My arm, man. What is you doing?
I'm putting you in handcuffs.
Oh, man. You just broke my arm, man.
Yeah, well, maybe if you actually did what I asked you to do.
Ah,
Stand up. Come on, stand up.
Hey, man. You just broke my arm, man. Ah, shit.
Damn, my head! Ain't nothing wrong with you, dude. Stand up. Quit. Quit. Nothing wrong with your head. 21 Forest City, send me a 1016. He's wanting to flail around like that.
1040, 21.
Wake up.
A search of the vehicle uncovers a trove of illegal substances, a stash of pills, open bottles of alcohol, and even a scale covered in residue. Evidence in hand, Trooper Evans and the Drug Task Force bring a long list of charges against Chalmers.